What is up, everybody? I'm super excited to have you here on these videos again. How to write a great credit repair landing page in 60 seconds. It should be simple if you know who you're targeting. Who's your ideal client? Who's the person that you actually want to help out? It's going to be so simple that you won't doubt it, uh, think it twice. You just don't, you will be clear on who to get, whose attention you need to get, right? With that being said, I'm sorry, I stumbled upon my words all around there. What I mean is, this formula, this four-letter formula, is going to change the way you build your funnel, meaning your website. If you have a website of a regular MLM company or a traditional credit repair company, it's very likely that it's not converting enough. You probably have enough traffic to find out if the offer is great or if the hook and the story are good enough, right? But for some reason, there's high bounce off, and there are some things that you can change there. That has to do with the copywriting on the landing page. So every time that you have a landing page, make sure that you use this formula. First and foremost, you gotta use attention. You gotta have attention. How do you hook people? How do you get their attention without losing it, and maintaining it for long enough? Okay. So, for example, you can include your offer on the landing page. If you go to most MLM multi-level companies websites, and if you're using that website, I'm sorry for you. It's too formal in my opinion. Even for anyone 60, 45-year old, looking for retirement, looking for help in what you do. There's not enough there's not enough hook, story, and offer. That's the best thing you can do. If we go to my website, for example, our website, our funnel, we tell you who we help and how we do it. We help credit repair experts do what? Increase their profits by 30%, eliminate prospecting overwhelm, right? And automate their business in 90 days or less sometimes. Good. So here you jump into the story. This is a long landing page because it goes deep into the story, which a lot of people read it. I didn't know. And other people prefer the videos I've used in other landing pages, and it's worked phenomenal. As long as my video has some pattern break. So you can go over this and see how that works out, right? After that, make sure you have the hook, the story, and the offer. After you have gained people's attention, what is the best way to get them to convert? To click the next button rather than just click the exit button, right? As it happens in many traditional websites. That's why funnels have the ability, to improve your business, seriously. After you have the attention, you gotta maintain the interest. And how do you do it? On the copy, on your offer. Is it a stack? Do you have a stack with the prices? Do you have do you provide urgency? Do you have a timer there? That's how you create the interest and the desire. Okay, but with interest, let's go back to that. If you're using a traditional website, you probably have some icons and just a quick description of what you offer. Is that what your ideal client is looking for? Is that what they want? Is it just plain credit repair, or is it the 12 products that you offer? No, probably no. They don't want the medium. They want the result. And so you gotta find a way to introduce the interest, what they actually want, in the copy of it, in the copy of your landing page. After you have done that, what is the desire? What do they actually desire? You gotta dive deeper into your ideal client, into their demographics and their psychographics. It's not just someone who can pay me, right? Who has a credit card and can pay the bills. It has to be someone who has the money and is willing and able, and a dream customer. Willing, able, and dream customer. They need your help, they want your help, and they know you're the best. And they just fit the bill, right? So that's how you find out what the desire is. You can use ask campaigns, like ask people, someone who is your ideal client, not your friends and family. They're not. They will tell you, oh yeah, I will pay for it, but when the time comes, they will tell you, no, I don't want to pay for it. Thank you, I don't need it, because they're not your ideal client. So you gotta go and ask your ideal client. Okay, there's many ways we can talk about. If you have questions on that, please mention it down below, and I'll do a video on that again too. And action. How do you take them to take action? Your website, your landing page doesn't have to be as long as this one. It can be a quick video targeting the things that I just mentioned, and a quick button, right? Show me how, or schedule a call, or get this free report, get this free case study, right? So many things that you can use. That's the action. With that being said, it should be quick, it should be simple. But if you have more questions on how to write a great landing page in 60 seconds or less, let me know. I'll help you out with it. We can schedule a call with me or my team and just help you take things in your credit repair business to the next level. With that being said, I'll let you go. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Drop your questions. I'm looking forward to working with you guys on a one-on-one level. Thank you so much for everything. And book a time, join the free Facebook group, and also connect. Just ask questions. All right. Thank you so much. Bye bye.